guys, and welcome to my channel, where my hope is that you'll get some useful information that will help you in some way. Today we're going to be looking at how to identify poison ivy. Why, you might ask? Well, the reason for that is that as the weather gets warmer, we are more prone to be outdoors on nature trails. We may be going camping, or maybe you just go to shaded areas in your yard, gardening, or for whatever reason, and they're there hiding in the bushes. So I just want to make sure that you're able to identify them so that you can protect yourself. One thing I'll caution is just to try to avoid them as much as you can. If you have to deal with them, I would say go to your garden center and get the chemical that's used to kill them. So that way you don't have to worry about it coming in contact with your skin, because it does produce an oil that actually causes serious rash irritations. And those can actually take up to 2 weeks to appear on your skin. Now, even if they're dried, you still want to avoid them. Don't burn them, because if you burn them, then the oils that come off can actually affect you. So let's go take a look. And remember, if you like this video, to subscribe, share, and give me a thumbs up.
It's a little bit wooded right here. There are some trees, lots of shade. And this is really a good haven for poison ivy. They like areas like this. Now let's go down a little bit and see if we can find where they are. If they're just up and coming, you'll have to go further down to see them. Okay, and here they are. Leaves of 3, leave them be. You'll notice that on the left, we have the poison ivy, 3 leaflets. Next to it, we have another plant that has 3 leaflets, but that one is not poison ivy. The edges of the leaves, that is the leaf margin, is different. One is smooth, while the other one is more serrated. Now we're going to take a look at what's called creeping Virginia, and that also likes areas like this. The leaves are actually not poisonous. They don't bother most people. This one has 5 leaflets. The only problem is that the berries that they produce do harm people, so you definitely don't want to eat them if you see any on these. You'll notice that it climbs with little rootlets. It's a similar way that the poison ivy does it, and they attach themselves on. They're almost like little suction cups that are on there. Notice that red coloration, and that's usually a warning sometimes too. Sometimes you'll also notice similar coloration on the poison ivy. Again, another warning sign. So let's go back to it. There they are again. And the little veins on this one doesn't look quite red. It could be because it's a younger vine, but as it matures, you'll probably see more of that. Got a little ant going by there. So I'm hoping that this helps. And please protect yourself when you go out to enjoy nature. Well, if it gets on your dog, don't worry too much. It doesn't bother them unless they try to eat it. But what happens though is that it actually can be transferred from their fur onto you. So you'll definitely want to have them get a shampoo. If you're the one that's doing it, then you'll need to wear some gloves that go all the way up. And before you start, you'll want to rub on some pre-contact cream on your skin that will protect you. And just throw away whatever you use, gloves or wash rags, whatever, and then you should be fine. Thanks for watching.